Hello my viewers, I hope you will all be fine and enjoying a good health. In this video, I shall teach you how to improve your speaking skills quickly. I think you already know that if you want to improve your speaking skills, you have to practice, right? You have to speak. Studying grammar will never improve your speaking. Listening to English alone will never improve your speaking. You have to actually speak. But what if you don't have someone to talk to in English? How can you practice then? Well, there is a technique that allows you to learn to speak English by yourself. No speaking partner is required. This technique can help you improve many aspects of your spoken English, your sentence structure, your grammar, your vocabulary, and most importantly, your ability to express your thoughts and ideas effectively. So, what is this technique? Learning to speak English through imitation. When I say imitation, I am not talking about after repeating the native speakers using the same words to improve your pronunciation. I am not talking about something a little more advanced than that. Here is how it works. You listen to a conversation, a story, or some kind of speech, and then try to deliver that speech in your own words. Let's see this technique in action. When I was a child, you can change this sentence. When he was a child, my parents liked to pretend. Like many other parents, you can change this sentence. His parents liked to pretend, like many other parents, that Santa Claus would bring us presents at Christmas. His parents liked to pretend that Santa Claus would bring them presents at Christmas. So, when my siblings and I wake up on Christmas morning, you can change the sentence in your own words. So, when he and his siblings would wake up on Christmas morning, there would be a bunch of presents from supposedly Santa Claus sitting in front of the fireplace. So, that's how it works. So, that's just one way to do it. There are other ways too. For example, instead of imitating small portions of speech like phrases and short sentences, you can imitate larger portions of speech. So, in this case, you wait until the speaker completes a thought or an idea, then pause and try to express that idea yourself. Another approach is to simply listen to the whole speech and then try to deliver that entire speech yourself. So, there are several ways to go about it, but what I recommend is to combine them all together. And I call this approach easy to hard imitation. Easy to hard imitation is based on the concept of progressive training. The idea is that you start something with easy and then increase the difficulty of the activity, forcing yourself to get better. A number of studies have found this kind of training to be very effective. That's how you can apply this concept. Start imitating small portions of speech first, like phrases and short sentences. Then move on to imitating larger portions of speech, like long sentences or even groups of sentences. And finally, try to deliver the entire speech on your own. This technique offers many benefits. You get to listen and imitate correct English, which helps you learn to form sentences properly. You get to listen idioms, expressions, and other speaking patterns that are used in day-to-day conversations. You get to learn grammar when you imitate other people. You are learning grammar through a process called implicit learning. Implicit learning. This process is called implicit learning. This is a process where the learning happens without your awareness. This is how babies and children learn the grammar rules of their first language. When you imitate, you don't think about grammar. You are not trying to understand why the present perfect tense is used in this situation or in that situation. Instead, you are focused on communication, on understanding and expressing ideas. You are still learning grammar, but you are not aware that it is happening. This is one of the proper ways to learn grammar. I have started this channel for the purpose of teaching English to the people who want to learn English. If you are new here in my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more useful content. I shall try my best to provide you high quality content. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.